Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it is drop day for Tempest Knives, and in front of us we have the Tornado. Now this is the Firestorm edition. You guys know, if you've been around me, you know I'm definitely digging that sort of tiger stripe, flame anode look to it. And I really like, you've got that wash on that pocket clip that really kind of just goes really cool. And if you check that out, it's got two screws, but check it out. You've got a hole here to access that second screw. Very interesting, you know, and it's not single screw. I like that. That's very cool. I am definitely digging that. You've got the lanyard post as well, just a small backspacer, full titanium construction going on. Of course, the OEM is Kubey. Tempest has been working with Kubey for a while now. You've got several different versions and a couple of exclusives. You got dealer exclusives at TPK, that camo carbon 80s, and you also have an exclusive at Blade Binge. So don't forget to check those out, guys. But you've got electric blue, purple flow, camo carbon, black, PVD coated titanium, and bead blasted tie, and of course Firestorm, and then the two exclusives. So several options. So Kubey did a fantastic job on this. Fit and finish is on point. I really like the milling that they've got going on here. Gives it just that nice little extra touch, and it's got a really good grip to it. However they've done the titanium, whether it's blasted or whether there's just enough texture going on that it actually gives it a really good grip. Now you've got this very low profile flipper, but works perfectly. Now, let's see. Oh yes, boom, reverse flip, and look at that wash on that blade. Love it. This is probably my favorite combo that Tempest has put out. This Firestorm with this sort of black washed blade. Love that combo for sure. 154 cm steel. And the gimping. Very well done. Very well. Take note, guys. If you're gonna do gimping, that's the way to do it. Grabs my thumb perfectly. We do kind of have a forward choil. It's small. It is pretty small, and you don't really have that flipper tab to kind of trigger back on. So if you're gonna go forward on it, you got to be careful. You really got to be careful. Now this is a little bit of a smaller knife. Look at that action. Action is good. Flap it. Oh, we got to check out the centering. Not like I'm concerned about it at all. Yeah, perfect. On point. Absolutely, 100%. Flip it open. Now, the flipper tab's got jimping, too, it works. It just works. So we're going to be able to keep it right there pretty much in the center because we're looking at about 6. We're just shy of 6.5, guys, from what I am measuring. Handle, pretty close to 3 3/4 on the handle. Overall blade, you're looking just shy of 2 3/4. Cutting edge is going to come in right about 2.5 inches. And then your grip length, natural grip length, is going to come in right about 3. Now that's a little short for me. It is a little bit on the smaller side. It's about a 3.5 fingered knife for me, but I like it. Fits in the hand great and really feels good. So we're going to do our initial, we're going to do the spec check and the size comparison that we always do. And then I'm going to throw out a Tempest knife you're probably all familiar with, but it's smaller than the Bug Out. So it is on the smaller side. That's what I like. That's what I like to carry for sure. Definitely smaller than the PM2. And let's get this guy out here. An oldie and a goodie from Tempest, but here's the pinion. So I know a lot of you guys are familiar with the pinion, so that's where it pretty much stacks up. Let's go in a little bit more. There you go. There's where it stacks up with the pinion, another Tempest design. So it is. It's definitely a little bit smaller. Now, we know KC likes a little bit bigger knives, but went a little bit smaller on this one, which I'm down with. I am definitely digging on this. Now, like I said, I can reverse flick it. To be perfectly honest with you, it was probably Tempest Knives where I really learned how to reverse flick. I know Casey likes it. He likes it so much, he's had to have surgery on his finger. He likes it so much. But all of his knives have been very, very easy to reverse flick. And yeah, I have to say that's pretty much where I learned to do it, is doing Tempest. Now, most of you are going to say, well, spider coated. Yeah, well, the Tempest does too. So there you go. But no, really, really good knife. Kubey does a fantastic job. They work so well together. Of course, he's had a couple of designs with Kubey that he's licensed to Kubey. We probably just saw the the microburst fixed blade. So there you go. Overall weight coming in just under 3 ounces, 2.9. I love it. And then now it's not going to be deep carry. You saw that. We've got that standoff. Goes into the pocket very nicely. You will have a little bit of peekaboo. Nothing crazy. And we got a decent pop coming out of the pocket. Pocket clip is on point. Absolutely. So, overall, always been a big fan of KC's design. His design language falls a lot into what I like. Now, we've got a little bit more of a clip point on this one. You guys, yeah, I'm a drop point guy, but that's okay. Still like it. Overall, like I said, this colorway is my favorite Tempest colorway. KC, you could do this on every single knife. Or every single model, I should say, not every single knife. But do one of these, and I'm definitely in. Well, you know, I'm pretty much in anyway, but that's just the way it is. Action, fantastic. Snaps right out there. Got a good initial drop. Little shake shut. Might need a little bit of juice. Might be drying out just a little bit. But like I said, for the reverse flick fans, it's good. But that low profile flipper tab works just fine. Absolutely. Kubey does a very good job with their low profile flippers. And of course, ergonomics. Very, very good. I can feel the clip back here a little bit. I can feel it. It's not a hot spot, nothing like that. It melts in my hand. I'm digging it. And again, it's worth mentioning, if you're going to do gimping, ask Kubey what they do, because that's how you should do it. Seriously. I mean, I don't know. Yes, other people have done good gimping. I'm talking about a Kubey right now, a Kubey OEM knife, I should say. And that's how you do it. It's just how you do it. Now, these guys are coming in regularly priced at $149. That's what they're going to be selling for. Of course, there'll be a link down below. Guys, go check it out. And don't forget, you got 2 dealer exclusives with the Tornado. You got the TPK, Traditional Pocket Knives, Sea Riser Cutlery Edition, and you also have a Blade Binge Edition. So go check those out as well. You never know. That might be the one you find that you like. But me, I'm all about the Firestorm. So, KC, thank you so much, my friend. Greatly appreciate you. Can't thank you enough for sending this one over. Thanks so much. And of course, thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the Firestorm edition of the Tempest Tornado. Guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.